Hello, little gems. I hope you all are doing well. Are you all ready to do math? Yes? So let's start our session. In the previous video, we saw how you will write the decimals seeing a particular figure. Yes, the shaded portion and everything. And today we are going to see how you will read and represent the decimal on the number line. Fine. So let's take an example. You have to mark 2.8 on the number line. Kids, number line is similar to the ruler you have. Yes, the ruler starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 12 I suppose you have. Or sorry, 15 you have. Yes, but the number line goes on and on. Line hai na? So line will go on and on. Okay, there is no last point. Fine, so you have to mark 2.8 on the number line. Now 2.8, you can see that the decimal is there. Before the decimal you have the whole part, means 2 is whole, and after the decimal you have small parts. Okay, means 8 small parts आपको लेने हैं, 2 पूरे और 8 small parts. That means this point will lie somewhere between 2 and 3 because it is more than 2 and it is not complete 3. So I will have a number line between 2 and 3 and it is divided into 10 equal parts. Okay, and each division or each part represents 1 by 10, that is 0.1. Now this is equal, this I will explain you in the next video. Fine. Now how this fraction is written into decimals and how this decimals is written into fraction will be seen in the next video. Fine. Now just for your understanding, understand that if a number, this is the number 1, okay, the decimal points lie on the right hand side which is not visible. कोई भी नंबर का डेसिमल पॉइंट कहाँ होता है? राइट हैंड साइड पे. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक डेसिमल पॉइंट है. एज इट इज डिवाइडेड बाय 10 यू विल जंप वंस. एक बार जंप करके डेसिमल पॉइंट को यहाँ लाना है. सो इट इज इक्वल टू 0.1. फाइन. This I will explain you in detail in the next video. Don't worry if you don't get it now. Fine. Now the 1 point is representing 0.1. One division is representing 0.1. Now I have to mark 2.8. That is 2 whole part. And 1, 2, 3. Frog is jumping. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is my 2.8 point on the number line. Yes, I have marked it. Clear? Let's see marking of 14.3 on the number line. Now seeing the number 14.3, मतलब 14 के ऊपर है. So I will have the number line of 14 and 15. Okay, and the number between 14 and 15 will be divided into 10 equal parts. And I have to mark 14.3, मतलब 14 से 3 point आगे. So 1 point, 2 point and 3 point. So this is my 14.3. Clear? Let's have another example. Where is the point on the number line? Where is the point? The point I can see is here. Now, see, this is the number 2, this is number 3 and this is number 4. अब ये point का क्या value होगा? As it is lying between 3 and 4, what it means? It is more than 3 and not complete 4. 3 और 4 के बीच में है. Yes, so it is 3 plus 1 point, 2 point, 3 point. So it will be 3.3. Clear? Fine. Now we will see some more points. See, I have taken a ruler. Okay. Now you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 centimeter. Or you can take, you can say that I have taken the number line. Okay, which starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now these are certain points. See, 0 के ऊपर 3 point आएगा तो it will be 0.3. If it will be 8 points more, so it is 0.8. Now 1.5 lies between 1 and 2 because 1 से ज़्यादा and 2 से कम. So 1.5 lies here. Then 2.4 is between 2 and 3 because 2 से ज़्यादा है. So 2 और 3 के बीच में होगा. And 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4 point. Fine. So this is 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is 3.7. Clear? 4.6 matlab 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 4.6. So these are certain example of representing a decimal on a number line. The next topic we are going to cover is representing the number on the abacus. Okay, but for that you have to learn the place value chart for decimal. Now I am pretty much sure that you know the place value chart very thoroughly. What it has? What it has? Yes, it has ones, tens, hundred and thousand. This तो you know. Okay. अब 1 से tens में जाना है तो what you do? You multiply by 10. And then tens multiplied by 10 will give you 100. And 100 multiplied by 1000 will give you 1000. Fine. इतना part तो you know. Now let's see the next part. Fine. The decimal का part. Now I told you that let's take one example and explain you. Okay. So this is the number 2546.789. Okay. Now decimal point के आगे वाला section को क्या कहा जाता है? Whole number part. क्या कहा जाता है? These are whole numbers, पूरे numbers है. And this is a decimal point. And the number to the right of the decimal point are known as decimals or fractional part. Now I told you, you remember fractions or decimal related hai. So this is known as fractional part or decimal. Fine. They are 7, 8, 9. These are decimals. Clear? Clear till this part? Okay. So we have a decimal point. अब decimals का place value chart क्या होता है? It will start with tenth. Ones नहीं होगा. As you have ones, tens, 100, 1000. ठीक है? So यहाँ पे ones, tens, 100, 1000 ऐसे नहीं होगा. It will start with what? Tenth. And see, it's written tenth and it is tens. TH and there is a difference of TH. Yes. And see, this if this you are multiplying with 10. And when you move on to the right side of the decimal, you will do division by 10. Clear? See, here it is multiplication by 10 and here it is division by 10. So this is 10th, 100th, 1000th. Yes? Okay. So what will be the chart? Let's repeat once. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So this is the whole part. Then we have a decimal point. Decimal point के right side वाला क्या होगा? 10th, 100th, 1000 and that is known as fractional part. Clear? Now see, this is in the ones place, 6 ones place पे है, 4 tens place पे, 5 hundreds place पे है और 2000s place पे है. And 7, this 7 is what? See kids, जब decimal point होगा ना वो यहाँ से शुरू होगा. 9 is not in the ones place. Clear? Don't make the mistake here. Many of you will make a mistake here. यहाँ से ones या tens शुरू नहीं होगा. Decimal point के तुरंत शुरू होगा. Clear? So this is 10th, 100th and 1000. Here you go this way and here you go this way. Clear? Fine. So let's have representing 73.001 on the abacus. Now again we will repeat कैसे शुरू होगा? Ones, tens, 100, 1000 and then 10th, 100, 1000. Clear? So let's have the abacus wherein 73 तो you know how to represent the abacus and this triangle represents a decimal point. अब यहाँ पे 0 है, यहाँ पे भी 0 है और यहाँ पे 1 है. Clear? It means 10th place पे कुछ नहीं है, 100th place पे कुछ नहीं है, 1000 place पे 1 है. Clear with this? This is how you will represent in abacus, on the abacus. Clear? Now let's take other example. Okay. Representing 710.0235 and represent 15.007. So let's see how to do that. Okay. Now first take the 15.007. Now I told, now let's repeat the place value chart. ठीक है, ये क्या है? Ones. ये क्या है? Tens. और 1 divided by 10 मतलब 10th, 100th, 1000th. Clear? यहाँ पे decimal point है. See, 15 का डेसिमल पॉइंट. सो डेसिमल पॉइंट के राइट साइड वाला इज 10th, 100th, 1000th एंड उसके लेफ्ट साइड वाला इज ones and tens. Clear? So now here 1 and 5 balls. So 1 and 5 balls. Yes, in the ones place it's 5 ball and in the tens place it's 1 ball. And here after the decimal you have in the 10th place you have 0, in the 100th place you have 0, in the thousands place you have 7 balls. So this is how we will represent 15.007 on the abacus. Clear? Kids, this will help you to solve exercise 9.1. It's very easy and you know the abacus. Okay, so pay attention and you will have 9.1 as your homework. Okay, so you have to represent 710.0235. अब पहले डेसिमल के पहले का देखते हैं. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे 0 है वंस की प्लेस पे, तो वंस की प्लेस पे 0 बॉल्स. टेंस की प्लेस पे यू हैव 1 बॉल, सो टेंस की प्लेस पे 1 बॉल. एंड इन 100 प्लेट्स it's 7, so you will have 7 balls. Clear? Now here the decimal is there. After the decimal it will be 1/10th, 100th, 1000th and 1/10,000. So 10,000 you don't have in your portion, but let's take the example to understand what exactly is representing on abacus. Clear? Here you have 1/10th में कोई भी number नहीं है, 0. Sorry kids, here it's 0. Fine. Here you have 2. Here no, there is no number and here it's 0. See, it's 0 here. So I have not put 1 ball here. It's 0. And here you have 2. So I have put in 2 balls. So 2 balls in the 100th place. 3 balls in the 1000th place. 1000th place. Clear? Fine. With this, I am having the other example. Okay. Let's revise. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000 and 10th, 100th and 1000. Okay, decimal के right side and decimal के left side. Clear? Fine. So let's take other example. Now I have shown you the abacus and I have put the balls already in it. You have to write the number. Clear? Till now we saw you got the number and then you are representing in abacus. Now I am having the abacus and you have to write the number. Fine. So decimal के left side वाला portion, there is no there is no ball as such. So I will have 0. Yes. फिर I have a decimal point and to the right of the decimal point, that is 10th, 100th and 1000th, I have 10th में 3 and 100 में I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3, 5 is there. Clear? So my answer will be 0 here. Decimal will be decimal as such and 10th में 3 and 100th में 5. Clear? Kids, learn this abacus thoroughly. This will help you to read the decimal. अब reading भी सीखना है ना? Yes. So how you will read this, you know? 0.35 or 0.35 hundredth. Okay, I will teach you. Wait. Fine. So now we are going to see the numbers. This is the place value chart. Easily आपको याद रहेगा. Units, tens or ones, tens, then the decimal point and then 10th, 100th. अब 10th का क्या value है? 1 divided by 10 और 100th का क्या value है? 1 divided by 100. Okay, so how you will read this number? We have 13, that तो you know. फिर यहाँ पे क्या है? Point. So you will write point and then what is this? It is not 95. Clear? It is not 95. It is 95. Decimal के बाद आप 95 read करेंगे. ठीक है? It is 0.95. Now this is one way to read the decimal number. The other way, see, this is the one way. This is the other way is 13. Yes, I have written 13. Then there is a point. So point के लिए आप क्या लिखोगे? And. क्या लिखोगे आप? And then 95. So 95 you will write 95. Okay, 95, 95 and last number क्या है? 5. और वो कौन सी प्लेस पे है? 100th. So you will write 95 hundredth. Clear? This is the other way to write a decimal point. Now, if you remember kids, if you get the answer, if the number is 783, so you will not read as 783 name. 783. Yes, and remember that and is for the decimal point. अगर आपको याद होगा तो फर्स्ट चैप्टर में मैंने आपको जब प्लेस वैल्यू सिखाया था, प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ लार्जर नंबर्स, आई हैव टोल्ड यू नॉट टू राइट एंड एनीवेयर व्हेन यू आर हैविंग द नंबर नेम्स. एंड किसके लिए होता है? डेसिमल पॉइंट के लिए. Clear with it? Fine. Let's take other example. Now place value chart I have done and I have taken the number 92, then a decimal point and 6, 7. Clear? So 2 किसकी प्लेस पे है? 1. 9 किसकी प्लेस पे है? tens. और and की जगह मैम ने क्या किया है? Decimal point. Yes. Then 6 is in the 10th place, 7th is in the 100th place. So the first way to write this number is 92. अब पॉइंट के लिए क्या लिखेंगे मैम? 0.67. दिस इज द वेरी इजिएस्ट वे टू राइट. यस, सो यू कैन रीड 92.67 एंड द अदर वे टू रीड इज 92 पॉइंट की जगह पे एंड 67. ओके, देन 67 and 7 is in the 100th place, so 67 100th. Clear? So I can read as 92.67 and even I can read as 92 and 67 hundredth. Fine. Okay. Now let's take other example. This is the place value chart. Agree. Ones, tens, 100,000 and 10th, 100,000. Decimal के ये side वाला place value. Fine. Let's take one example. This is the example we have taken. Let's take the name. How we will write? See, this तो you know. 867, you know. Yes, so I can have 867 and then you have point and then what is there? Here 0 is there, here 4 is there and here 0 is there. So what I will write here, tens की जगह पे कुछ नहीं है तो tens की जगह का कुछ नहीं आएगा. 100 पे 4 है, so I will write 404. Yes, this is what you have to 0 for the tens and 4 on the hundreds place. Now thousands place पे 0 है तो लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Clear? So I can read it as 867.04. Yes? Okay. Now the other way to write is 867, that तो you can deal with easily. अब point की जगह पे and then you have 400th. Yes, so 400th. 10 का 0 का कुछ नहीं करना है. 4 and 100 का 4 कहाँ पे है? 100th की प्लेस पे. So 400th. Clear? Now let's take other example, that is this number. And how you will write it? It is written as 571 तो you know. Point की जगह पे point and 872. So 872. Clear? The next way is 571 point की जगह पे and, okay, and this is what 872 और last number किस place value पे है? Last number is in the thousands place. So what I will write is 872,000. Clear? So 872,000. पीछे जो भी number होगा उसका place value आपको लिखना है. That is very easy, kids. It's very easy. Just have the trick. Okay. Now with this, I'm giving you the exercise 9.1 ka question number 1 as your exercise. Homework, sorry. Now, we will do 9.2 wholly together. I will explain you and you are going to solve it in the next video. Fine. Clear? That's all for today, kids. Thank you.